Do you eat when you're stressed? Do you eat when you're bored? Some people it's the sweets, some people it's overeating in general. This is not about you and the carbs. This is not about you and the donuts, you and the overeating, you and the late night snacking. It's not about that anymore. But what does that mean and why? If we find out why are we doing this? Ask yourself the next time you're doing that, is it really necessary to do that? And the weight will just melt off. I'm telling you, it is incredible.
And I know that you travel around the world a lot to study different cultures and some of the different hidden secrets, if you will, to long life. What are you going to share with us this week when it comes to hidden secrets?
So in interviewing centenarians in different parts of the world, and we studied different cultures, and you know, we've been to Africa and Central America and different parts. So this was in Central America, in Costa Rica, and Costa Rica is in this specific area that we went to is known as one of the blue zones, and we spoke with Trinidad, and Trinidad was over 100 when we met her. And wow. When you see her in the next few moments in the video, my specific questions were around diet and, you know, maintaining a healthy body weight. And part of that secret was, you know, eating the foods that were locally grown and in their area. And, you know, a good balance between carbs, fats, and proteins. And yes, she still did have her coffee. Yeah. So coffee was a part of that healthy diet, but also getting up with the sun. So the circadian rhythm is one of those ancient secrets and one of the hidden secrets behind weight loss, because our body best absorbs our food and digests our foods at certain times of the day. And that's why it is a hidden secret for maintaining a healthy weight is to eat at certain times of the day. So certainly waking up with the sun is part of that, but then our body best digests when the sun is up. Our body doesn't digest, and think, you know, those late night eaters and things. Well, after the sun has gone down, our body is not equipped to digest and convert our food into energy as well. So we also want to be active, and that's part of the lifestyle of Trinidad, was always being active as much as possible, you know, during the day when the sun was up, to help to think about it, burn off the food. So it seems so simple, and it really is simple at the end of the day. A lot of the science and the studies that we share, it's based on simplicity. But really, when we look and we merger, right, you know, the ancient secrets and those hidden secrets of health with the science, this is where we come into, and that's what I like to share in the shows is, yeah, it seems like common sense, but at the end of the day, there's science behind a lot, most, if not everything, that we share in the shows. So that's a great thing about studying the different cultures as well, is because they all have their different secrets as to why they do so well, and having that healthy lifestyle.
That's one of the great things about this show too. With the Dr. Janine show, as a naturopathic doctor, you're learning some of these ancient secrets and how they've combined with modern day medicine to bring us what we are accustomed to knowing now. And we do this every week. On Monday nights at 7 o'clock. You can also watch previous episodes if you'd like on YouTube. Remember to follow Dr. Janine on Instagram at Dr. Janine, DoctorJanine. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell and be notified of all the shows that are coming up in the future.